If you're encountering a data sync error in Collibra 2026, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check connection settings. Ensure that your connection settings are correctly configured. Verify the database credentials, server address, and any necessary firewall settings to confirm that Collibra can access the data source. Step 2. Review data mapping. Examine the data mapping configurations within Collibra. Make sure that the fields in your source data align correctly with the target fields in Collibra. Any discrepancies can lead to sync errors. Step 3. Validate data quality. Inspect the data for any quality issues such as missing values, incorrect formats, or duplicates. Clean up the data as needed to ensure it meets the requirements for successful synchronization. Step 4. Restart sync process. After making necessary adjustments, restart the data synchronization process. This can often resolve temporary issues and allow Collibra to re-establish a connection with the data source. Step 5. Check logs for errors. If the error persists, review the logs for any specific error messages that could provide insight into the problem. Address any identified issues based on the log information to facilitate a successful sync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the data sync error in Collibra 2026 effectively. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Collibra support for further assistance.